Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to scrape LinkedIn job listings in minutes without even using a LinkedIn account or writing any code. We'll do this using the LinkedIn Job Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. This scraper collects data from LinkedIn's public job board. It's perfect for recruiters, HR teams, job seekers, and analysts who want structured job market data instead of manually scrolling LinkedIn all day. So, how does it work? This is the input page. The only required field is the search query, in which you'll include any job title, keywords, or company name to search for. Then, you can add any of these filters, like the location, the maximum amount of results you want, and then these filters, which include the date posted, the job type, if you want full-time, part-time, the experience level required for the job, the workplace type, if it's on site, remote, or a hybrid. There's also the option to include only easy apply. There's the minimum salary amount. And you can also sort by the most recent or most relevant. These are additional options, like if you wanted to scrape the full job details, extract the skills, include block jobs, or include raw HTML. There's also the proxy setting, which helps avoid LinkedIn rate limits and blocks. For this run, we won't use any proxies as we're only searching for 20 results. Now, once everything is set, you can start the actor once, or you can schedule it to run according to whatever you need, say hourly, daily, weekly, etc. For this example, we'll run it once. And now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll see the results in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row is one job, and it includes info like the job title, company, location and workplace type, salary ranges with currency and pay period, applicant count and posting date, full job description in text and HTML, and the experience level, employment type, and industry. You can also download all of this data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, which is ready for analysis or reporting. Recruiters can use this to analyze hiring trends and benchmark salaries. Job seekers use it to identify high-demand skills and target companies, and analysts use it to build job market databases and track trends over time. So that's how you scrape LinkedIn job listings in minutes. No logging, no scraping headaches, and no manual work. If you have any issues with this scraper, feel free to contact us. And if you like it, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.